Hi children, all of you take out your volume 1 course books, EVS our second lesson, all of you open your course books children. Already we completed our first lesson, yes or no, etiquette topic. Are you reading all those question and answers, everything, all that lesson? Yes. What you have to do means every day you have to do that work, sir. Okay children. Okay, now all of you take out your page number 53 in your course books. And what is there in this lesson we'll see. So our lesson name is our clothes. So our clothes. Our clothes means what? The clothes we are wearing. Our clothes. Yes or no? So what is there in this our clothes to learn? నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఏముంటది క్లాత్స్ అవర్ క్లాత్స్ లెసన్ లో ఏముంటది చూద్దాం అన్నమాట. ఇప్పుడు మనం వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ దిస్ లెసన్ విల్ సీ ఇన్ దిస్ లెసన్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో ఐఎమ్ రీడింగ్ హియర్ 53 page. All of you open and see this. Try to think about this. Animals wear no clothes but people do. Why is it so? Children, here the question is animals wear no clothes. Did you had seen ever these animals are wearing any clothes? Is the animals are wearing any clothes at your homes, nearby your homes, anywhere? Had you seen? No, animals do not wear clothes. Yes or no? Yes. For example, at our homes there will be dogs, buffaloes, cows, sheep, goat, everything. All those are animals only. No. Are they wearing clothes? Are they wearing clothes? No, they are not at all wearing any clothes. But people are wearing clothes. Yes or no? We the people are wearing clothes. See, I am wearing clothes and you are wearing clothes. All the people, all the human beings are wearing clothes. Yes or no? Why all the human beings are wearing clothes and why the animals are not wearing clothes? Do you know? Why they are not wearing clothes and why we are wearing clothes? That we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay children? Yes. So, why is it so means, see, in the third line. Animal's body is covered with coats like wool, fur and thick skin. This body coats protect them from sun, wind and rain. See children, the animal's body is covered with animal's body is covered with animal's body is covered with animal's body ante ela cover ayi undi animal's body is covered with wool. Sorry children, animal's body is covered with wool, fur and thick skin. Chaala thick ga untadi annamata. Okay children, so animal's body is covered with wool, fur and thick skin. From where do we get this wool? Have you seen any wool? Wool ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా? it will be for sheep. Yes or no? Sheep ఉంటది కదా, so that is called wool. Fur means the skin will be very hard nana. See, for us, for people, for we are having a skin. Yes or no? See, our skin is very thin. చాలా పల్చగా ఉంటుంది. ఇలా అంటే మనకు పెయిన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఎస్ or no? మనకి ఏదైనా ఇలా దెబ్బ తగిలితే వెంటనే పెయిన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఎస్ or no? Because our skin is very thin, చాలా పల్చగా ఉంటుంది, so we will get this pain. But animals is having a fur on their bodies and animals bodies are having a thick skin and hair like structures will be there on their body. So the animals bodies are having a very very thick skin, very hard skin. చాలా గట్టిగా ఉంటుంది, చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. స్కిన్ మందంగా ఉంటుంది. So the animals bodies are covered with the wool, fur and thick skin. So they all this wool and fur and this thick skin will protect them from, all these three will protect from sun, wind and rain. See, what happens means, because of this wool, fur and thick skin, the animals bodies are having wool, fur and thick skin. This wool, fur and thick skin protects the animal's body from sun, wind and rain. Sun మనకి ఎండ నుంచి కాపాడుతుంది. wool, fur, thick skin ఉండడం వల్ల animals కి ఏమవుతుంది అంటే sun సన్ నుంచి కాపాడుతుంది. విండ్ గాలి ఉంటుంది కదా, దాని నుంచి కాపాడుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ రెయిన్ వర్షం నుండి కాపాడుతుంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఎస్. బట్ what happens to people? What happens to people? Why we are wearing clothes? Because we are not having any thick skin. Yes or no? So we have to protect our skin. We have to protect our thick skin from this sun, wind and rain. మనం ఈ సన్ నుంచి కానీ, విండ్ నుంచి కానీ, రెయిన్ నుంచి కానీ మన బాడీని, మన స్కిన్ ని మనం ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. We have to protect our body. Yes or no? Nobody will protect our bodies. We only have to protect our bodies. So to protect our body, we are wearing clothes. People wear clothes. We need clothes to protect our body. Yes or no? We have to protect our body. Protect our body. Yes or no? So the animals are having a wool, fur and thick skin. So but these people are not having any wool, fur and thick skin. These people are not having anything like this. But animals are having all those wool, fur and thick skin. So this wool, fur, thick skin will protect the animals from sun. ఎండ నుంచి కాపాడుతుంది. విండ్ గాలి నుంచి కాపాడుతుంది. అండ్ రెయిన్ వర్షం నుంచి కూడా కాపాడుతుంది. See, if there is a big rains also, the animals will stand in the rain only. Yes or no? ఏం భయం లేకుండా అలానే వర్షంలోనే ఉండిపోతాయి కదా. Yes or no? Yes. But we the people, can we stand in the rain? Can we stand in the under the sun? For one day? For 1 hour? Can we stand? No, we cannot stand. Why? Means we are not having any thick skin on our body. If there is a thick skin, we can also protect our body. But we are having very thin skin. So we cannot protect our body like that without clothes. So to protect our body only we are wearing clothes. Yes or no? Yes. To protect our body we are wearing clothes. These animals are having wool, fur, thick skin. Wool, fur and thick skin. So they do not need to wear any clothes. Okay children, this is the difference. This is the answer for why the animals are wearing clothes and why the people are wearing clothes. The animals will not wear any clothes, but these people wear clothes. Yes or no? Yes. So this is this children. Next what is there? If you see here, all the animals pictures are there. Yes or no? Here all the animals pictures are there. Here down all the children pictures are there. These animals, any of this animal is not having any dress, any clothes on their body. Yes or no? Is there any clothes on their body? No, they are not having any clothes on their body. But coming here, people wear clothes to protect their body and skin from heat, cold and rain. From heat, we have to, ఈ వేడి నుంచి, ఎండ నుంచి మనల్ని మనం కాపాడుకోవాలంటే we have to wear clothes. For example, if there is a very hot sun outside, చాలా ఎండ ఎక్కువగా ఉంది అనుకోండి. For example, in summer season, if you go out, what you will do? There will be too much of hot. So suddenly what you will do? You will take something and you will keep on your head or something. You will cover your face, your body. Yes or no? With scarves or with anything. Yes or no? Yes. So heat, cold and cold. In cold season also, చాలా చలిగా ఉంది అనుకోండి. We will protect our body. Yes or no? From cool. Like wearing sweaters, next jackets, everything. Will gloves like this we will wear. Yes or no? Yes. And rain. If there is any rain outside, will you go out? In sometimes we have to go out during the rain also. At that time what we will do? At that time we will protect ourselves and we will go outside. Yes or no? How we will protect? How we will protect our body from rain? By using umbrellas. By using umbrellas, raincoats. Yes or no? By using umbrellas and raincoats we will protect our body. Yes. So this is this page children. After this all of you turn the page. There will be a, see, by looking at all these picture, first picture, by looking at all this picture, there is a white color all on this land. White is there. What is that? All that is a snow. All that is a snow. When we will see a snow? When we can see a snow? In which season we will see a snow? Already we know the seasons. We had learned about the seasons in our first class. Already we had learned the seasons names. Yes or no? So there are a winter season. Once recall everything. Winter season, summer season, and rainy season. Yes or no? There are three types of seasons. Yes or no, children? Winter season, summer season and rainy season. So, now we are going to learn about this winter season, summer season and rainy season. Already we know about this. We had learned in the first class. So, today what you will do means all of you take out your course books and read. All of you once take out your page number 53 and read all this. Learn all this. What is the why the animals are not wearing clothes and why the people are wearing clothes. After that, what you will do means with the help of your parents, ask your parents to show the animation of this lesson. Okay, all of you has to watch this animation. After looking the animation only, you can clearly understand what is this lesson. Okay, children, it will be very easy to identify all these things, all these clothes, and it will be very easy to understand also what I am saying to you. ఓకే మీరు యానిమేషన్ చూసారనుకోండి చూసిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది అంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ ఈజీ ఫర్ యూ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ లెసన్ సో ఆస్క్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ టు షో యూ ద యానిమేషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ our clothes lesson, second class animation, second lesson, our clothes lesson. Animation, all of you watch animation, children. Okay, children. Now we'll see about winter season. Okay, what is the winter season? You see, in this page only, here 2 lines are there. Now I am reading out that one. All of you listen carefully. We feel cold in the winter season. We feel cold in the winter season. So now we feel very cold. We feel very cold in the winter season. Cold means చల్లగా ఉంటది కదా చాలా చలి పెడుతుంది. We feel very cold in the winter season. And we wear woolen clothes like sweaters, jackets, scarves, socks and keep ourselves warm. What the clothes you will wear in the winter season? Which type of clothes you will wear? We will wear woolen clothes. We will wear woolen clothes. What are those woolen clothes? We will wear woolen clothes. Cold, we feel very cold in this winter season and we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes, what are the types of woolen clothes? Sweaters. Sweaters ఉంటాయి కదా ఎస్ నో స్వెటర్స్ వేసుకుంటాం కదా మనకి చలి పెట్టినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది we will wear sweaters. And next jackets. We will wear jackets, sweaters, jackets. And next one scarves. Scarves. And next one socks. All these sweaters, jackets, scarves and socks are made with this wool only. All these are made with wool only. We are getting this wool from animals. We are getting this wool from animals. Okay. So in winter season we feel very cold. We feel very cold. To protect our body from this cold, we will use woolen clothes. We will wear woolen clothes. What are those woolen clothes? What are those woolen clothes mean? The woolen clothes are sweaters, jackets, scarves, socks. Why we should wear woolen clothes in a winter season? Why we should wear woolen clothes in winter season means? Why we should wear woolen clothes in winter season means woolen clothes keeps our body warm. Woolen clothes keeps our body warm. ఏం చేస్తుంది woolen clothes means this woolen clothes keep our body warm. Warm means వేడిగా ఉంచుతుంది అన్నమాట. When we feel very cold, చాలా చలి పెట్టినప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం మనం స్వెటర్స్ వేసుకుంటాం. Why we are wearing these sweaters means these sweaters will keep us warm. Woolen clothes అన్ని ఏం చేస్తాయి అంటే మన బాడీని వేడిగా ఉంచడానికి ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. So to keep our body warm and to protect our body from this cold, we will use all these woolen clothes. These woolen clothes are, what are these woolen clothes? Sweaters, jackets, scarves, gloves and socks. So many will be there. Okay children, so this is about winter season. This is the winter season children. Okay, so next one summer season, and after that there is a rainy season and kinds of clothes also will be there. So what you will do means all of you watch the animation of this lesson. So for today, this is the class, children. Till winter season it's enough. So take out, all of you, once take out your course books and read, go through these 53 and 54 pages. Okay children, thank you.